If you run a business, you probably noticed that digital marketing costs are absolutely increasing, and you're probably wondering how to get more bang for your buck. Well, you're looking at it right now. YouTube. YouTube ads are the best kept secret in marketing. And if you want proof, look no further. You are watching me on YouTube right now. See, the cost per click are a tiny fraction on YouTube versus Google Ads. And you can use the amazing power of storyboarding to engage your audience, to connect, to tell your story, and to convert. Video is the most engaging form of content on the planet Earth. YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. It's where people go to learn something or to find answers. The best news is that most businesses have overlooked it. And for that reason, YouTube ads are where Facebook ads were 4 years ago, before the onslaught of advertisers jumped on that platform and drove the ad costs up. You might remember when Facebook ads were super cheap. We were getting views and clicks for pennies on that network. And that's where YouTube ads are right now today. It's not going to last long. Right now is the time to get started. We specialize in running targeted YouTube campaigns for businesses. And if you'd like to discover how YouTube ads can help you get more customers, click below. We'll give you a $500 credit in YouTube marketing. So come on over, click below, and let's show you how YouTube can help you get more customers today.